Designing shirts on Printify is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can actually design shirts on Printify. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on the Printify's website. Now here you have to log in or create an account first. After creating an account, you simply have to click on this My Store. It will take you to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you simply have to click on this catalog, and here you have to select any of the things that you want to buy. So I'm going to go to bestsellers, and I'll select any of the t-shirt that I want to design. Suppose I want to design this t-shirt, so I'm going to click on that, and I will simply scroll down until I see this option start designing. I'll select any of the providers, and I'm going to click on this start designing. Now here I can design the shirt however I want. I can do the AI image generator as well. I can do the custom text. It totally depends upon me however I want. Suppose I want to type and I'm going to change the color for the shirt. I want the shirt to be yellow. It totally depends upon me however I want. And you simply have to design it according to your choice. As you saw, there are different variants and different things. You simply have to click on this save product, and this product should be saved, and you can buy it whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.